This is about you guys. We got Chris Farley here. Yeah, we got the guy from that movie, The Hangover. Yeah, he's out here somewhere. And then we have Jack Black here with the Nacho Libre situation. So, yeah, guys, thanks for coming. This is great. Yeah, so what is FluxCapacitor? I bought this domain about, 12 years ago. Didn't do shit with it for the whole time. Yeah, that's from the Wayback Machine right there. Basically, reference architecture for like distributed applications. Took all the popular Netflix components. I'm an Netflixer, so people were asking me, how do you use all this stuff? I put it all together. You fork it, yeah, plug in business logic, start making money right away. It's just as easy as that. Yeah, you got scalability, like right out of the box, availability, and then monkeyability. So my project actually led to a Netflix tech blog. It's called Recipes RSS. They forked my project and then added like a fancy RSS reader. It was kind of around the time Google was doing their thing. So if you guys want to use it, give it a whirl. Yeah, these are some of the people using it. Actually, Netflix is using it, which is kind of funny. Some of the guys at Netflix told me that they actually reference it to figure out how their own stuff works, so that was kind of funny. It's just gotten so complex, right? All the different components, and not all the team members know what's going on. So, I mean, not a diss to Netflix. It's just, yeah, there's just too much there. So these are all the projects that we're going to talk about here a little bit. Yeah, these are the core ones I focused on. There's like many other ones, but it's just hard to get all of them into one project, right? So, and then, yeah, these are the Flux AWS services I'm using. What's interesting, that like graph on the right, that's the same day, right, that Netflix converted over to the cloud and did the iPhone launch on the same day, which is really interesting. Yes, it was a big risk, but they did it. All right, so we're halfway through. It's time to talk about random shit. We got, yes, my team is an Emmy award-winning team. We actually won an Emmy. Yeah, there's an actual like DeLorean outside my place in like San Francisco. I found out Back to the Future is not even on streaming. Yeah, so I like went to prepare, and yeah, you just can't get it. So, yeah, that's Adrian Cocroft. Can't mention an OSS like Netflix talk without talking about the Cloud Prize. So yeah, go check that out. All right, I have about 30 seconds on these two slides. I cheated and did the whole 2 slides right in a row, so it looks like I have extra time here. Yeah, we got Guava. Yeah, using DynamoDB, CloudWatch. That's kind of the boring slide, the techie slide. Yes, I did this talk down at Velocity like a month ago, and it was just tons of graphs and diagrams, and yeah, decided to put in more Paris Hilton and less graphs. So yeah, using Netty, using Graphite. Yeah, so this is the key. This is kind of the middle tier load balancer that like Netflix has. It's for service discovery. It's sort of the core project that's used by like tons and tons of the other projects like Turbine and like Asgard. You guys probably all know Asgard. I'll talk about that in a little bit. Yeah, Servo, that's the metrics library, similar to the Yammer metrics library. Yes, I have it integrated with CloudWatch, Graphite. Yes, I like CloudWatch because of the triggers. I did get hit with a $250 bill last month because I pointed all my load tests to use CloudWatch. So yeah, just be careful of that. Yeah, Hystrix is another good one. Yeah, Ben Christensen, I love him. That's the heart up there. Like, of course, Michael Nygaard, or like Release It, the greatest book ever made. Yeah, this is the dashboard. Yeah, here's more graphs. I said no more graphs, but just couldn't resist. So, yeah, like these are the different bulkheads. Yes, if you know from Release It, you like bulkhead, like different services keep things going down, like swim lanes, yeah, so that they don't mess up things upstream. Yeah, so everyone knows the monkeys, Chaos Monkey, right? Like that's so 2012, right? Like the new one now is like Latency Monkey. That's the tough one. So like adding 3-second delays into your service request, that screws everything up. So just trying like to deal with that. So yeah, we have Asgard. Yes, everyone knows about that. I'm starting to use more CloudFormation and Beanstalk. Sounds totally lame, but actually Beanstalk is pretty cool. It's got like Apache built in, Tomcat. You just focus on your actual web app. Yeah, so plans for the future, just do more consulting. I've been bringing this out to clients. They've like been extending it, adding business logic, and yeah, just helping people profit. Yes, I have t-shirts. Yeah, come find us.